Hi guys, so I haven't uploaded in so long because basically my laptop, I think we had a virus on it. I had to, I still have it actually. I want so this so that is basically broke, so I can't upload videos anymore. But I've got a new one, and it took a while. But we look back at my YouTube channel now. We are away from my old laptop. I know it doesn't seem like a while, but 2 months was last year. So basically, yeah, we had 2 months from our laptop, and that was last year because it's new. Now 2020. It may not seem like 2 months has been passed because this is going to be uploaded a few weeks or maybe months after I made this video because it's going to take a lot of effort. So let's get into the actual video. I know I don't do it often, but I'm going to be doing my hair because like you seen today, it's a right mess. The supplies I've got is this hairspray thing. It looks like my body mist, but it's like a hairspray from the same brand if you get me. Because it's got a nice thing for my hair. It doesn't go with my outfit, but I'll do it anyway. And then if I decide to change it, I've got this instead, maybe. The brush, the main thing that we really need. And then last but not least, I've got this bubble to tie my hair with. So I'll let you know once my hair's all wet with this spray. I should just do it on camera. I'll just do it on camera. Yeah, otherwise. I'm just gonna brush this hair out of that. This doesn't really seem to be working, so I'm gonna go and get a different spray real quick. Right back. I found another one. It smells like pears, but I'm still gonna use it because it's like the best spray I have. Things are gonna go wrong today. I can just tell by what's happening right now. Yeah, I think this is right enough. So now, guess I'll come back once I've tied it up a little bit. So here's my hair tied up. So now to pick between the two. What one should I pick? I don't think neither of them would go very nicely. So I'm gonna go and get my other one of these and a different accessory and pick between them two. Be right back. Two different items. Instead of this headband, I've got this one, which I think goes nice with my outfit. I've got like pink on it. And then this scrunchie. It is pink by the way, this looks white. Very pale pink. Does look white, but if you match it up to that, the sort of match. So I think that one will look best. Really, I really don't. That one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. gel finally to keep it in place. Just get it a little wet because it just helps make it look a bit more silky out of my hair. I'm gonna have another brush through, making sure. And then that is the finished style. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. And also, yeah, I'm not going to give any spoilers for the next video, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notified on all my videos when I upload a new one. So it might take a while, seeing that I've waited 2 months to upload a new video. And then hit that like button if you like my content. Bye!